Welcome to the School of Film and Media Studies. We're excited to show you around to give you a look into our world of storytelling and media innovations.
From crafting cinematic masterpieces to producing digital content, you get a chance to fully express your creative interests and unleash your potential in this exciting industry.
Here at FMS, you'll be trained to be a next-gen multi-platform media professional through our selection of diploma courses.
You'll get to hone a wide range of skills such as filmmaking, content creation, social media marketing, digital journalism, and more.
FMS will open your world to a wide spectrum of skill sets every next generation media practitioner needs for new opportunities. Our industry-standard facilities are something we're incredibly proud of, including the latest media playground immersive learning space.
During your 3 years here in Ngee, you get to learn from and connect with industry experts through not just masterclasses, but also off-campus learning journeys with our renowned partners.
To future-proof your learning, we've collaborated with leading companies to co-develop curriculum programs and prepare you for the evolving media landscape.
All the joy and all the pain, every human moment, all the same.
At FMS, learning goes beyond the classroom. Students can also gain global exposure through our overseas immersion program or the youth expedition projects to shape well-rounded media practitioners.
Whether it's exploring the film industry in Asia or traveling across borders to work with an underserved community, these eye-opening experiences are sure to expand your worldview to become socially responsible and active citizens.
We also have co-curricular activities throughout the semester if that's something you're into.
With a diverse selection of CCAs such as Scene 52, Radio Heatwave, and our very own FMS Council, each student can find a community to grow upon each other's skills, build friendships that last a lifetime, and most importantly, have fun while exploring your passions outside of school hours.
Whether you dream of expressing yourself through narrative storytelling, working magic in post-production, or presenting in front of a camera, the School of Film and Media Studies has something for you.
Visit our website or contact us for more information. Come and be part of a community where creativity knows no bounds. We can't wait to welcome you at FMS.